Hi everybody and welcome back to my tropical garden here in the UK. Well, it's a bit of a chilly day today, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to take cuttings of one of my all-time favourite plants. It's not exactly tropical because it is hardy in this country. It's called a salvia. A beautiful plant. It's so easy to take cuttings of. You'll need to buy one, maybe two if you want two different colours, or maybe three if you want three different colours. But I take cuttings of these, I put them all around the garden. They go into pots. You don't need to water them very often. They just look after themselves and they're quite happy. Bit of sunshine makes them flower all the more, but they will tolerate shade too. Anyway, less of the talking. I'm glad to have you back and stay tuned. I'll show you how to take cuttings of these really beautiful plants.
So first off, we have to find the appropriate plant. I've chosen this one. It's got a few straggly bits on it and it could do with a bit of a tidy up anyway. So now we have to pick a shoot that's probably had a flower, not necessarily so, but it's good if it's had a flower. And you need to cut it sort of 2 or 3 sets of leaves down on the stalk. Then remove the top bit because we're not going to be using that, we don't want that, get that out of the way. And these bottom leaves have to be pulled off, not cut off, pulled off. Make sure you get them all off, and there you have the first cutting. Now, just to be sure, I'll show you a second one. First I'll have to have a look round and decide which one to take off. And yeah, I think we'll go for this one. So we cut between 2 sets of leaves. Take the top off like that, take the bottom leaves off by pulling them off like that and like that, and I think that stalk is just a touch too long, so I'll take a little bit of the stalk off, and then we have another cutting. So off we go to my propagating table and my tray that I use there. I'm going to get just a standard small plastic pot, and this is just regular potting compost, nothing special. You don't need anything special for these, they're not fussy little plants. So make a hole in there for the plant with a little dipper. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this rooting powder that I've got here. Dip the cutting in some water, a little bit of rooting powder on the bottom. Then in we go. Just tidy up the little hole. Pop it in, and that's the first one done. So I'm going to carry on with the other 2. Same again, in the water, in the rooting compound. Make a little hole with a dibber, pop it in. Then the last one, in the water, in the compound, make the hole, and in it goes. That's that done. Now we just need to give them a nice drink of water and put them aside and leave them to grow. I just want to very quickly show you these. These were done about, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, and what I have to do is I pinch them out to make them more bushy. Otherwise you end up with one great big long stalk. So I pinch those out and look at the roots coming through the bottom. Just keep them nice and moist. They don't have to have a polythene bag on, or I think I'd rather not put them in full sunshine. And there's another pot that I've got there. I've got to find homes for all of these. I expect I will. I mean, look how healthy they are. Beautiful little plants. They cost you a lot of money at a garden centre. But no, they're fine.
There you have it, quick tutorial how to take cuttings of a very easy plant to propagate. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you get some of these plants for yourself. They are absolutely beautiful. They make your garden look so summery, and a bright ray of sunlight with those beautiful colours. You can't get better than that, can you? I mean, I've got so much greenery around here. It's nice to have some colour. Oh yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video, and stay tuned, and I'll be doing another one very, very soon. Bye for now, guys. Bye for now.